He had to put us through the furnaces of affliction, because he couldn't give us or give himself to us until we were as pure as he is. Be ye perfect as your Father in heaven is perfect. You must be holy, for I, the Lord your God, am holy. So man has to be made holy, and not a thing can do it but the furnaces of affliction, called the furnaces of experience. And you and I pass through them from the cradle to the grave, and beyond the grave, because it doesn't end when we're called dead. The wheel is larger than 70 years. It goes beyond that.